This video was brought to you by Marcus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Storenberg, Kempower, and Bilkomponenter.
Hello people, today I have a classic Nissan Leaf, like Bjørn's Frankenstein, exactly the same color. Forgot to check what's the kilometer stand on the car. Let me check it out. 181,000, not bad. So the problem with the car is that the car doesn't start. The customer explained that the car didn't start after preheat. So if I try to restart, the green car is blinking, 12 volt is on, and nothing serious happening. Fault codes, what I have is EV, you can read yourself, I don't have to repeat. But after looking into manual, it looks like it's a precharge resistor, which is probably blown away. Some interesting facts about when this fault happened. This is probably a fault code, VCM mode 17, I don't know what it means. So the car was standing, speed was 0, shift position 10, coolant temperature minus 12. I'm not sure if it's like engine coolant or heater coolant. Motor was not spinning around. Battery voltage 384 and battery temperature 0. This is just explains that the car was not driving when this fault happened. If I try to erase faults, let's see if some are coming back or some stays. I mean, gets away. DTC explanation, let's see if it has something to explain. No, not working. Fault description says that I should preconditioning, disconnect of course fuse and high voltage cable from the battery and check if there is no voltage left. Then Nissan Diagnostics recommends to check the compressor first, check DC-DC junction box, check PTC elements heater, check again DC-DC junction box, traction motor, inverter, high voltage cables. Replace junction box if needed. Experience wise, I would say that or I want to start fault finding with the heater and measure resistance between plus and minus, because since the car didn't start after preheat, so I think it's a big chance that the heater is in short circuit. So let's go lift the car and check around what happened. So we have battery down, Mantas took it down. Soon we will open it and check the resistor, recharge resistor. We have e-App, it doesn't charge. We have Jaguar I-Pace which stops to charge. We have our non-electric snow cleaning machine, and we have our secret car, two-seater City L it's called. Good morning, day 2 Nissan Leaf battery repair. Mantas was working hard yesterday to open the battery. It was a lot of rust, right Mantas?
Yes, of course. Like always.
Like always on the 2012 Leaf. But the good thing is that the battery is not sealed and you don't have to cut around, but it's like a bolt. Are those bolts were also rusted or?
On the back.
On the back. Good. So Mantas found that actually precharge resistor is broken. Can you measure?
Yeah, so this one was original.
And it shows 41 mega ohm.
Yeah, and the new one. Only 33.
Ohms. So, Mantas already had the chance to test the battery yesterday, right?
Yes.
So it's probably heater's fault because the heater is not in short circuit, but it's not working, right?
Yeah, so PTC is not working, but very good that voltage is coming from unit at DC or
Junction box.
junction box. Yes.
So if the customer will want to replace the heater, it's gonna be like 2 hours job, something.
Yeah.
Just replacing heater, but
So-
it means that the fuse in the junction box is okay. So it's quite good news for an old car.
Yeah, and finally works everything properly. I think so.
Yes, very good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna install the battery bank into the car and we'll ask the owner what he wants to do. He wants to replace the PTC heater or he just wants to use the car as it is without the heater.
Yeah.
So what was funny to have Bjørn in the workshop again. We shot some nice videos with the i3 and some surprises. Just to finish about Nissan Leaf customer picking up the car without heater. He wants to work with the car a little bit himself and fix it himself. So I think that's nice. He paid us 7,500 Norwegian kroner, so it's like 600 euros for full finding, precharge replacement and the work. So yeah, Leaf is finished and going home. I think that is gonna be one of the last videos this year. So I wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And with the team we had filming a Christmas, how to say, greetings video. So it's shot in vertical, so we could use it on our Facebook and TikTok channel. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in 2024.
Hi, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Привет, привет! С Рождеством вас всех!
Feliz Navidad i Prospero Año Nuevo.
Wesołych świąt i szczęśliwego nowego roku.
Frohe Weihnachten und glückliches neues Jahr.
Linksmų kalėdų ir laimingų naujųjų metų visiems.
Joyeux Noël et bonne année.
God jul og godt nyttår, kjære kunder!